Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore two methods for capturing screenshots on your iPhone 15 Pro or any iPhone with the latest iOS version. So let's dive in. The first and most straightforward way to take a screenshot on your iPhone 15 Pro is by using the button method. Simply simultaneously press and release the side button and the volume up button. When done correctly, you'll hear a snapshot sound, indicating that you've successfully taken a screenshot. After capturing the screenshot, you can perform various actions with it. You can edit it using the available tools, mark it up, and more. Once you're satisfied with the screenshot, you can tap on the arrow icon to share it, send it, print it, or add it to various applications. Alternatively, you can tap the Done button, giving you the option to copy, delete, or save the screenshot to different locations, such as Photos, Files, or Quickness. For the second method, navigate to your device's settings and access the Accessibility menu. In Accessibility, go to the Touch section and find the Back Tap feature. There are two options for back tap actions. Choose the one you prefer, and in this example, we'll select Double Tap to take a screenshot. Then select Screenshot. Now, whenever you want to capture a screenshot, just tap twice on the back of your iPhone, and it will function similarly to the volume up and side button method. After capturing the screenshot, you can perform the same actions as mentioned earlier, including saving it to your Files application for easy access. And there you have it, the two methods for taking screenshots on your iPhone 15 Pro or any iPhone with the latest iOS version. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more tips and tricks on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.